Today we are introducing two Thinvik ADV grade bicycle bar ends. The standard model is 15 centimeters, 5.9 inches. And the extended model is 17 centimeters, 6.7 inches. The standard model bends inward, while the extended model bends upward. The installation is very simple. Remove the original grips and brake levers, etc. The bar ends can be installed either on the outside or the inside of the handlebar. You need to consider whether the grips allow installation on the outside. Before use, make sure all component screws are tightened.